Morning everyone. I am Sahaj, a student of computer science BTech, is going to present my project of full stack web development. So here is my project. My project is based on a platform where user can interact with other user to get the question of their answer or to solve their problems. In this platform, a person can pose the problem and get the solution from other users. Here you can see it is the front page of our project where we have given what is the project, how many users are there, how many questions have been posted on this, and you can explore rooms and join for free. As I already logged in into my uh, website, so we will talk about the front page and then move to first. So here you can see what all things we keep in mind while posting a question or have made this project. Here are the three subscriptions. One is free and one is $9 per month. Another one is $49 per month. There are different things you will get in this subscriptions, as you can see. Now moving to the challenges part. This challenges page is made by now. First, let me explain what all things I have used making this challenges page in uh, front. Starting with the HTML structure, I have divided the pages into multiple sections to keep the layout clean and maintainable. At the top, I have created a header section using a cinematic type like header and navigation. Inside this, I have used an unordered list for navigation, links such as network, challenges, knowledge, and council, along with the button like login and join. Next, I have created a main container using a section tag for the page title, search function, and menu. For the problem listing, I have used a parent division block container that hold a multiple card component. Each card is built using division and contains a different badge. Here you can see low, medium, and high priority. Then I have used a title. I have given the title using H3 tag, a short description using a paragraph tag, and a solution count aligns to the right. This reschedule card structure make it easy to dynamically render multiple problems. Now, coming to the CS part, the design is mainly built using Flexbox and Grid. I have used Flexbox for aligning item horizontally like in an episode. Card head card header and grid or column layout for stacking the problem in a card form vertically. The page uses a dark theme well, so we have applied dark green gradient background using background linear gradient. Text color are mostly like to be maintained constant and readability should be high of the question according to the value. For styling the cards, I have added border radius for a smooth round corners, box shadow for the depth. As you can see, I use shadow for the depth to make the box we have hovered or mouse to look different. Padding and margin for space. However, effect using hover to slightly lift the card and improving inactivity, as you can see. The difficulty level are styled using different value, high, medium, and low. These are the difficulty level of the question. I have also used CSS class extensively to maintain reusability and style to keep everything in a manner or certain block like dot card, dot badge, and dot contain. To make the page responsible, I have used media query so the layout adjusts properly on the smaller screen like mobile devices. Now, uh, going through an overview of this challenges page, as you can see, we have written open challenges. Here you can search the problem based on the tags React, Node.js, Python, database, AWS, and security. Here you can see there are 11 problems till now have been posted. Here is a question that has been posted by me. Set the difficulty level to how as normal. And the question title is about AI. It means the question is about AI. Question is why it is important to know use of AI. Here you can see my name. Now the solution is also given by me. To get blend, the spelling is mistaken. To get blended or stand out between the peoples. Here, anybody can comment in my solution. Here, I can add one more solution to post. Here are the categories: technology, science, mathematics, business, health, and education. There are the trending tags: React, Next.js, Python, machine learning, and this cross 654 means how many question has been posed using these tags. Now moving back to the question challenges page, here you can see how many questions has been posed, what are the difficulty level of the question, how many answers of the per question, answer, 0, 0, 0, one solution, one solution. Moving to the knowledge page. Here is a page where a person can post an article based on anything he likes or a topic. NumPy. Like here is a NumPy is a Python library used to work with the array. It is also has a function for working in a domain of a linear algebra. Here is a Wireshark. Wireshark is world leading free and open source network. If we click on this, we can see this has been posted 36 minutes. Here you can see full article and the tag of this article. Now moving towards the IQ. It is a interface where we can see a play thing like structure. Here you can see a solar system like process. Here is engineering, education, technology and their branches. Here are trending texts. Here are the leaderboard. In council, we can see the leaderboard, who is top rank, who is most reliable, who have given answer on many questions, zero problem solved, four problem solved. These are the points, reputation points. Now moving towards the dashboard. In dashboard, we can see how many levels in node expert reputation point we get, how many question I have solved, how many articles I have put, and how many post question I have posted. Submit problem. We can here submit problem from here, like how you writing the question. The question is about the English, whatever we can post. Area is only education. Priority level means how much difficulty of the question tag post. Once the question is posted, you will get a pop-up notification here. Now we can see how are you low question strength. Now moving again to the dashboard, we can see I have posted two questions. Here I can write article. The streak is maintained. Leaderboard. From here I'll check leaderboard and my position. Last is my identity. Here you can see my identity profile. We can change profile photo, universal synchronization. You can search the question based on the question name or the tag. So now, so thank you for watching this video, being part of this video. I hope you liked the project. My video. Thank you.